Yo, what is up everybody, it's Kim-san and welcome to the channel. Today we're about to drop into a place that feels like it's straight out of your wildest dreams. We're talking crystal clear turquoise water, beaches that stretch on forever, and vibes so chill you'll forget what stress even feels like. That's right, we're diving headfirst into the Gili Islands off the coast of Lombok, Indonesia. We're talking 3 islands, each with its own unique flavor, and trust me, your wanderlust is about to go through the roof, so buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to explore the Gili Islands because things are about to get seriously epic. Let's do this. Alright, first up, let's hit Gili Trawangan, the big brother of the Gili Islands. This island is the perfect blend of relaxation and excitement, offering something for everyone. Now when I say big, I don't mean massive metropolis, alright? It's more like a cozy, tropical paradise. We're talking about an island you can literally walk around in a few hours. Imagine strolling along sandy paths with the ocean breeze in your hair. But don't let the size fool you, this place packs a serious punch. It's small but mighty, with a vibrant atmosphere. We're talking about some of the most stunning beaches you've ever seen in your life. The kind of beauty that takes your breath away. Picture this, powdery white sand, water so clear you can see your toes even when you're waist deep, and palm trees swaying in the breeze. It's pure paradise. It's like something straight out of a postcard. Every corner of this island is picture perfect. But Gili Trawangan isn't just about chilling on the beach, although you could easily spend your entire trip doing just that. There's so much more to explore. This island comes alive at night, the energy shifts and the party begins. We're talking beach bars pumping out tunes, fire dancers lighting up the sand, and a vibe that's impossible not to get swept up in. It's an experience you won't want to miss. Next up, we're hopping over to Gili Meno, the smallest of the 3 islands in the Gili archipelago. This tiny gem is often overlooked, but it's a paradise waiting to be discovered. And let me tell you, this place is a straight-up love nest. The island's charm is undeniable with its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. If you're looking for a romantic getaway, a honeymoon destination, or just a place to escape with your special someone, look no further. Gili Meno offers an intimate setting that's perfect for couples. Gili Meno is where it's at. The island is dotted with cozy resorts and secluded spots that make it feel like your own private paradise. Imagine this. Waking up in your own private bungalow nestled right on the beach, the sound of the waves crashing gently lulling you awake. It's like a dream come true. You step outside and you're greeted by the most incredible sunrise you've ever seen, painting the sky with vibrant hues of pink and orange. It's a sight that will stay with you forever. You spend your days hand in hand, strolling along the beach, the soft sand between your toes. Every moment feels like a scene from a romantic movie. You go for a dip in the crystal clear water, the sun warming your skin. The ocean here is so inviting, it's impossible to resist. You share a romantic dinner under the stars, the sound of the ocean providing the perfect soundtrack. It's the perfect way to end a perfect day. Gili Meno is all about disconnecting from the world and reconnecting with each other. Here you can truly unwind and focus on what matters most. It's a place where time seems to slow down and the rest of the world fades away. Every moment here is a chance to create lasting memories with your loved one. Alright, now let's talk about Gili Air, the middle child of the Gili Islands. Nestled between the tranquil Gili Meno and the lively Gili Trawangan, Gili Air offers a unique blend of both worlds. This island is all about balance. It's a place where you can find your inner peace while still having plenty to do. It's got the chill vibes of Gili Meno but with a little more going on. Imagine a place where you can unwind and relax, yet still have the option to engage in various activities. You've got stunning beaches of course, but you've also got lush green forests to explore, offering a perfect escape into nature. Local villages to immerse yourself in where you can experience the rich culture and traditions of the island and a real sense of community. The locals are warm and welcoming, making you feel right at home. Gili Air is the kind of place where you can spend your morning learning to surf, catching the gentle waves that are perfect for beginners. Your afternoon chilling in a hammock with a good book, letting the hours slip by as you sway gently in the breeze. And your evening sharing stories with fellow travelers over a delicious meal, perhaps at one of the many charming beachfront restaurants. It's the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, offering something for everyone, whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a peace seeker. Of local culture and modern amenities, you can explore traditional markets or enjoy a coffee at a modern beachfront cafe. One of the things I love most about Gili Air is the pace of life. It's slow and deliberate, allowing you to truly savor each moment. It's slow and deliberate, nobody's in a rush, and everyone's just happy to be there. The sunsets are particularly magical, casting a golden glow over the island, and everyone's just happy to be there. The sense of joy and contentment is palpable, making it a perfect getaway. You can feel the stress melting away as soon as you step foot on the island. It's a place where you can truly find your balance. Now let's talk about something close to my heart: conservation. The Gili Islands are home to some incredible marine life, including these majestic creatures we call sea turtles. Sadly, these gentle giants are facing some serious threats, from pollution to habitat destruction, but there's hope. On Gili Trawangan, you'll find a turtle sanctuary that's doing amazing work to protect these animals. They rescue injured turtles, rehabilitate them, and then release them back into the wild. Visiting the sanctuary is a truly humbling experience. You get to see these incredible creatures up close and learn all about the challenges they face. But more importantly, you get to see firsthand the positive impact that conservation efforts are having. It's a reminder that even small actions can make a big difference. Alright, let's talk about food, because let's be real, no travel experience is complete without indulging in some local delicacies. And when it comes to food, the Gili Trawangan night market is where it's at. Picture this: the sun has set, the stars are out, and the air is filled with the sounds of sizzling satay, the aroma of spices, and the chatter of locals and tourists alike. You wander through the market, your senses working overtime. You see mountains of fresh fruit, skewers of grilled meat, steaming bowls of noodles, and so much more. The best part? It's all incredibly affordable. You can easily have a feast for two for under $10. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Now let's dive into one of the main attractions of the Gili Islands, the underwater world. The waters surrounding these islands are teeming with life. We're talking about vibrant coral reefs, schools of colorful fish, and even the occasional reef shark. Don't worry, they're harmless. Whether you're an experienced diver or a first-time snorkeler, the Gili Islands have something for you. There are countless dive shops offering trips for all levels, so you can explore everything from shallow reefs to deeper wrecks. Imagine this: you're floating in crystal-clear water, the sunbeams dancing on the ocean floor. You look down and you're greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors. Fish of all shapes and sizes dart in and out of the coral, while turtles glide gracefully by. It's like swimming in a giant aquarium, except it's real, and it's right there in front of you. Alright, let's talk about something truly magical: sunsets. And when it comes to sunsets, the Gili Islands do not disappoint. In fact, they take it to a whole other level. One of the best places to witness this daily spectacle is Sunset Point on Gili Trawangan. As the sun begins its descent, the sky explodes into a canvas of vibrant hues. We're talking about fiery oranges, deep reds, and soft pinks, all reflected in the calm ocean waters. People gather on the beach, beers in hand, to watch the show. It's a time for reflection, for connection, and for simply appreciating the beauty of the natural world. Now let's head back to Gili Meno for a moment and check out a hidden gem, the Gili Meno Lake. This saltwater lake is tucked away in the heart of the island, surrounded by lush vegetation. It's a tranquil oasis, a world away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. You can take a dip in the cool, clear water, relax on the wooden platforms, or simply soak up the peaceful atmosphere. It's the perfect place to escape the heat of the day and reconnect with nature. If you're looking to rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul, the Gili Islands have got you covered. There are countless yoga and wellness retreats scattered across the islands, offering everything from daily yoga classes to detox programs to meditation workshops. Imagine this: you wake up to the sound of the ocean, you start your day with a revitalizing yoga session, you fuel your body with healthy and delicious food, and you spend your days relaxing by the pool or indulging in spa treatments. It's the ultimate recipe for relaxation and self-care. Now, let's talk about getting around these islands. The best way to explore? By bicycle, of course. Cars and motorbikes are banned on the Gili Islands, which not only makes them incredibly peaceful, but also encourages a slower, more eco-friendly way of life. You can rent a bike for a few bucks a day and explore the islands at your own pace. Pedal along the coast, through local villages and past lush rice paddies. It's the perfect way to experience the true beauty of the Gili Islands. And there you have it, folks. The Gili Islands, a slice of paradise on Earth. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, these islands have something for everyone. From the vibrant nightlife of Gili Trawangan to the romantic serenity of Gili Meno to the balanced charm of Gili Air, each island offers a unique experience. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready to discover the magic of the Gili Islands for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour of the Gili Islands. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.